By the name of Allah. Good morning, everyone. My dear students, grade 5, welcome back again. How are you? How are you doing? Okay. I unmute all of you already. Okay, my dear students, prepare yourself. Open your book at page number 857, chapter 11, lesson number 10. Convert metric units of length. Our lesson for today is convert metric units of length. Okay. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning, Sazam, I think. Sazam.
Khalid.
Khalid.
And,
One Khalid. Okay. Okay. Today our lesson is talking about convert metric units of length. What is a metric system? Metric system, we use it in our life in the Middle East, or our countries. Okay. The metric unit is a decimal system of measurement. To measure the length for any object, we use a metric system. Okay, we use a metric system to measure any object. Okay, in our life. Okay, like your room, like your school, your house, your pencil, the door. Okay, we use this metric system to measure the objects. Okay. To measure it, we use a units. Okay, as you see here. Okay, at the bottom of the page, centimeter, millimeter, meter, and kilometer. Okay, I have 4 units. There are millimeters, mm, centimeter, cm, meter, m, kilometer, km. Okay, millimeter we use it for something very small, like thickness of dime. Dime is a coin. The thickness of dime we use millimeter, something very, very small. Centimeter, we use it to find something small, like your pencil, like here, width of your finger, and your book, we can use centimeter. Meter, we use it for something long, like your room, playground for your school. Okay, your house, we can use meter. Okay, to find the height of your door. And the fourth one is kilometer. We use a kilometer to find the distance among or between cities. Okay, we can use kilometer. For example, the distance between Riyadh to Dammam, about 300 kilometers, like this. Okay, we use these units to measure the unit, to measure the length. This is the units of measuring length. There are again millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. Millimeter for something very small objects. Okay, okay for that. Okay, the metric units. Metric system is a decimal system of measurement. To measure any object in our life, we use a metric system. I use it in Middle East in our countries. We use this metric system. In another countries like America, British, we use another units like yard, like feet, like this. Okay, but in our countries in Middle East, we use this metric system. Okay, is a decimal system of measurement. Okay, and there is units to measure length. To measure length, we use a units. There are 4 units to measure length: millimeter, mm, centimeter, cm, meter, m, and kilometer, km.
Okay.
This is used for different objects. Millimeter for something very, very small, and centimeter something small like your pencil, your book. Okay, meter something long like your room, your class, okay, your house. Kilometer for something too long like the distance among the cities. Okay, okay. How to convert? To convert units. To convert our lesson. How to convert metric units of length. Okay, to convert metric units, okay, multiply or divide by powers of 10. What does it mean? Before we go to multiply or divide, okay, I will write here the metric units. The metric units, there are like this. I have millimeter, m, as you see here, and then I have cm, centimeter, and I have meter, and then the greatest one is kilometer. Okay, to convert among these units, I have millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. Okay, to convert, we have to multiply or divide. But before you go to multiply or divide, okay, I have here the relation between each unit. I have here 1 centimeter equals to what? Equals to 10 millimeters. As you see in your ruler, if you have a ruler now, you can check among the centimeters in your ruler, you find small dashes. This is called millimeter. Between each 2 centimeters you count, you found it is 10 millimeters. Okay? So 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. Okay? And 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. Okay? And 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meters. So to convert from small unit to large unit, small unit to large unit, you have to multiply.
Yeah, multiply.
Okay, sorry, from my mistake. Let me erase this one. Okay, so when you convert from small units to large units, you have to divide. Divide by what? The relation between each unit. But when you convert from large unit to small units, you have to multiply. from kilometer to meter, or from meter to centimeter, or from centimeter to millimeter, you have to multiply. Okay? Again, from large unit like kilometer to small unit like meter, you have to multiply. For example, I'm asking 5 kilometers equals how many meters? So I have to find first the relation between kilometer and meter. The relation here, 1 kilometer equal 1,000 meters. So I have to convert between kilometer to meter. Kilometer is larger than meter. So I have to multiply. Multiply by what? As you will see here, 1 kilometer equal 1,000. So I have to multiply 5 by 1,000. Okay, so 5 times by 1,000.
5,000.
Yes. Equals to 5,000. So the answer will be here 5,000 meters. Okay, now again, to convert means you have to change unit from the unit to other unit. I have these units of the length from smallest one to the greatest one: millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. Okay, to convert from small unit to large unit, you have to divide. Divide by what? By the relation between each unit. Okay, and to convert from large unit to small units, you have to multiply. As we see in this example, 5 kilometers equal how many meters? Okay, I have to convert from large unit to small unit. This means I have to multiply the number of this unit, or the amount of this unit is 5. Multiply by what? Kilometer equal how many meters? Equal 1,000. So I have to multiply 5 times by 1,000. So the answer will be 5,000 meters. Okay? Okay. Another example here, if I have to write here 300 centimeter equals how many meters? Now I'm going to convert from centimeter to meter. Okay, centimeter smaller than or bigger than meter? It is smaller than. So I have to convert from small to big or small to large. So I have to do what? From centimeter to meter, I have to divide. So divide the amount of centimeter, which is 300. I have divided by the unit. Divided by what?
100.
Yes, 100. So 300 divided by 100 equals to what?
3.
Yes, excellent. So the answer here will be 3. Okay, I gave 2 examples from large unit to small unit, like this, and from small unit to large unit, like this example. Okay? Okay. Now I will allow all of you to speak. For anyone has a question, you can ask me. Any question for all of you? Majid. Good morning, Majid. Okay, Majid. Hello? Guys,
Yes, sir.
as you see here, okay, I'm giving 2 examples to convert units from large one to small one,
Yes,
as you
sir, I
see
can't
here.
hear you.
What?
I can't hear you.
You didn't hear me. The sound is full. Maybe check in your device.
What?
You cannot hear me?
Your sound is lagging.
No, it's too high. 100%. You check in your device, please. The other student, you are hearing me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hear you.
Okay, thanks. Okay, so now we understand this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we are
Teacher,
going
can
now.
you explain kilometers again?
Okay, someone has raised his hand. Okay, someone raised his hand. Who is this? Okay. Remove it again. Okay, guys, again, the kilometer, I have here 5 kilometers equals how many meters? And convert, I have to convert from kilometer to meter. Kilometer is larger than or big than meter. So to convert from large unit to small unit, you have to multiply. So I have to multiply the amount of kilometer, which is 5, by the relation between kilometer to meter. What is the relation between kilometer to meter? Is what?
100.
One what? 1,000. Excellent. So I have to multiply 5 times by 1,000 equals to 5. Okay? Is it clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then to convert from small unit to large unit, I have to divide, as you see here. So I have 300 centimeter equals how many meters? So I have centimeter is smaller than meter. So I have to divide. The amount of centimeter given is 300 divided by the relation between centimeter and meter. 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. So I have to divide it by 100. So the answer will be 3. Okay? Okay. Now we are going to the next. Let me take this, raise hand. Someone raise his hand.
Mister,
Yes.
how the M be 5,000?
Okay, I will tell you, Fauzan. Someone raise his hand. I will answer your question, Fauzan. Just take the question from Fahad Al-Ajmi. He raised his hand. Yes, Fahad. Amar Fadil, welcome. Good morning. Majid. Yes, Fahad, what's your question?
No, teacher, but I see my profile only.
Okay. Omar Fadil and Majid, good morning, everyone. I'm happy for your joining us. Thank you. And Ahmed too. Okay, the question for Fauzan.
Hi.
Okay, we have a question about 1 meter equal 1,000 millimeter. How it's coming like this, right?
Yeah.
Because I have 1 meter equal 100 centimeter, right? Right?
That
If I have 100 centimeter equal how many milli? I have to multiply by 10. So 100 times 10 equal 1,000. Okay, you got it? If I have a question like this, 100 centimeter equals how many millimeter? You have to multiply by what, Fauzan? By what? By 10. So I have to multiply 100 centimeter multiplied by 10. So the answer will be 1,000 millimeters. So 1 meter equal 100 centimeter or 1,000 millimeters. Okay? Okay. Now let's go for the next page. Please go for next page. Page number 858. In the guide practice next in the down here. I have to practice here. Complete number 1. 5 meters equal how many centimeters? You can follow the steps. You have to convert from large unit to small unit. Okay. Okay. What the relation? 1 meter equal how many centimeters? 1 meter equal how many centimeters? For all of you, 1 meter equal how many centimeters? Right. Please. 1 meter equal 100. 1 meter equal 100.
500.
Yes, so I have to multiply it by what? By 100 to find the amount of centimeter converted or from meter to centimeter. So 5 multiplied 100 equals 500. Okay?
Okay, cool.
Okay. Here it will be 500. So the answer will be 500. Okay?
Okay.
Number 2. I have to convert 9,000 meters equals how many kilometers? Now I have to convert from small unit to large unit or to big unit. So I have to divide or not? Yes, divide. Divide by what? Kilometer. How many meters in 1 kilometer? There are 1,000 meters, right? So I have to divide it by 1,000. So 9,000, the amount of meter given,
9.
divided by 1,000, the relation between kilometer and the meter. So the answer will be what?
9.
Yes, excellent. Okay. Anyone has a question from this part of the lesson? Omar, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Majid? Majid, you understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. All of you, anyone has a question?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Mister.
Yes?
How 9,000 divided by 1,000 for 9?
Okay, Hamid. When you divide by zeros, you can cancel zeros. How many zeros? And divided, I have 3 zeros. Cancel the old zeros here from the old zeros from the other side. Now I have 9 divided by 1 equal 9. Okay?
Yeah.
You got it? Okay, next page, please. Next page. Next page, please. You have to convert this one. I give you just 2 minutes to solve this one by yourself. From number 3 to number 8. It's too easy. Okay? Take your time. You have 2 minutes to solve these problems from number 3 to number 8. Centimeter to meter, small to large, to do what? Number 4, for milli, small to meter. What to do what? Okay, someone write in his chatting. What's this? Khalid Somali, number 7. Number 3 is okay, Khalid. Excellent. Okay. Khalid, give me the answer of number 3.
Mister.
Yes. Fahad, right answer.
Mister, I don't understand. But
What, Hamad?
like 700, I'll divide by 100 equal 10, equal 7.
Yes, 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 excellent.
Okay, and now 700.
Yes, Hamad. Okay, Khalid Somali solved with number 4. Yes, right answer, Khalid. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, let me explain 3 and 4. Okay, in number 3, I have to change or convert from centimeter to meter. Centimeter is smaller than meter, so I have to divide. Divide by what? By the unit of
100.
Yes, I have to divide by 100. So 700 divided by 100 equals to what? Equals to 7. I cancel zeros with zeros. So I have 7 divided by 1 equals 7. Okay? Okay. Number 4, 8,500 millimeter equals how many meter? So I have to convert from milli to meter, from small to large. I have to divide. Divide by what?
Divide by 10.
No, Fawzan. What?
500.
Divide by what?
5,000.
1,000.
100. 100.
1,000.
100.
No, 1,000 Fawzan. Millimeter and meter. 1 meter equal 1,000 millimeter. So I have to divide this by 1,000. Convert from milliliter, sorry, millimeter to meter. So I have to cancel zeros. Cancel 1 0 up and 1 0 down. 1 0 up, 1 0 down. Okay, I have 85 divided by 10. Remember in the first semester, when we divide by 10, just place the decimal point from right to the left. I have 85 divided by 10, it will be 8.5.
Mister, I don't understand.
What, Hamad? Who is this?
I don't understand this.
Here, as you see here in your book, at the page number 857, the first page in our lesson, down here, if we see the relation between units, okay, as we see in page 857, here,
Mister.
just wait for that. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter, as you see here. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter or 1,000 millimeter. I explained it already. And then to convert from meter to millimeter, the relation between them is 1,000. As you see, I have to convert from small unit to large unit. I have to divide. Divide by what? What the amount or the relation between meter to millimeter is 1,000. So I have to divide by 1,000. When we divide, just cancel zeros. From dividing first and divisor. Cancel 0 with 0, 1 0 again with 1 0. I still have 0, means I have to divide 85 by 10, which is 8.5. 8.5 as you see.
Mister, now this centimeter.
Now it's meter. Now it is meter now. 8.5 meter. Okay?
Oh, 2005. How it come 8.5?
When you divide 85 by 10 equals 8.5. Just place the decimal point. 85 by 10 equals 8.5. Okay, someone give me the answer of number. Khalid, give me the answer of number 4, yes. And the number 5 is 15, yes, excellent Khalid. And the number 6, excellent. Fahad Al-Ajmi, yeah, check your answer Fahad for number 4, 85, 8.5. Khalid gave the answer of number 7 and the number 8. Number 7 by multiplied by 1000. Excellent, excellent. Number 8. I appreciate your effort, Khalid. Excellent.
Teacher, how number 7?
Okay. Number 7 is I have to convert from from meter to millimeter. I have from large to small. I have to multiply or divide.
Multiply.
Multiply by what?
By
1000. Yes.
1000.
See, remember the number 4. I divide by 1000 because I converted from small to what? To large. Now I have to convert from large to small. I have to multiply, but the relation between them is 1. Okay, I have here decimal number. When multiplied by power of 10, I have just place or move the decimal point to the right. 3 places, but I still have 2 places. Okay, cancel with 2 zeros. So the answer will be 2710. In number 8, I have to multiply by what? Meter to centimeter, multiply by what?
Divide.
Multiply by
100.
100. So the answer will be 920. Okay. Now, we are going for the second part of our lesson, which is how to compare among units. As we see here, to convert among units, before we're going to compare between units, you have to make it the same units. As you see, number 11, I have centimeter and millimeter. You have to change one of them to be like the other one. So, centimeter, you have to change it to be millimeter. Centimeter, 30 centimeter equal how many millimeter? I have to multiply 30 by what? Centi, how many milli? 1 centi equals 10. Okay, centimeter equal about equal 10. So I have to multiply 30 multiply by 10. It will be 300. So 30 centimeter equals to 300 millimeter. So now to compare, it will be equal. So the answer is equal. Okay. Number 12, 4.8 kilometer. Is 4,800 meters. So I have to change kilometer to be meter. I have to multiply. Multiply by what? By what? 1,000. So if multiply 4.8 kilometers by 1,000, it will be 4,800. So it will be equal. 25 and 3. Someone will say 25 greater than 3. No, check first which unit they are. Here I have millimeter and that 1 centimeter. You have to convert the large one to be like the small one. The large one is centimeter. Okay, how many centimeters? How many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter? There are 10. So I have to multiply 3 by 10. So 3 centimeter equals to 30 millimeters. Now I can compare between 30 millimeter and 25 millimeter. Which is greater? 30. So the answer. Okay. Guys? Okay. Now we finished our lesson. I hope you understand it. Guys, already we done or we finished our lesson. We have a session after 15 minutes. Okay, we will end now. To prepare yourself for next session. Okay, I hope you understand. And you have electronic homework in the school site. Please
I
solve,
did it.
solve it, please.
I do it.
Okay, excellent. I will check now. Have a good day and goodbye.